Well, good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Motorhoming fun. It's day 5 on our South Wales adventure and we're at Tregroes campsite near Fishguard. So we're heading out this morning. We're going to have a little wander around Fishguard. We went there yesterday afternoon, as you see on the previous vlog, so we're going to attempt to go a different way into Fishguard, guys. It might not work, we might end up coming back on ourselves, guys, but yeah, that's the plans for this morning, and have a good look round. As I say, we might only do this once today, so we might stop out a little bit longer this morning and have a little bit of a peaceful Tuesday afternoon. So we'll see you on our walk, guys. Bye for now. Alright, so this is the campsite this morning, and that's so looking very peaceful. Had a little drone flight overhead this morning as well, guys, very early, so we didn't disturb anybody. So we're going to head out of the site now, take a left and see if we can find that other footpath into Fishguard. So we'll let you know, guys. Right, so we're at the junction at the top of the road, guys, and we're going to try and attempt to cross this A40 and that, guys, and try and get on the so-called cycle path across the road. So hopefully we'll be all right, guys. Car coming from our right hand side. Right, we're crossing, so we're going to head down across here and hopefully into town. Right, welcome back, guys. So you can see it's a bit dull and cloudy today. We've not got those summer temperatures here over on the Welsh west coast and that, guys, South Wales. We haven't. The last few days have been a bit dull and cloudy. It's Tuesday now, it is, guys, so and it's not looking an awful lot better the rest of the week, and that, to be honest, so I'm pretty glad about that, to be honest. And that, I don't like the high hot temperatures and the sunshine, so it suits me and it probably suits Sky. So we're heading into Fishguard and have a good look round. So this is the pathway down. I just hope it doesn't come to a road and there still is a continuation of path or wide verge for us to walk on, guys, and that, but it should be a quicker route into Fishguard to the main area. Well, that's not too bad, guys. I think this is probably a better route and that. So there is a pathway here and all that, guys, quite a wide one and that, so let's see how it goes. Right, so 20 minutes in and a mile down the road, guys, we've reached Fishguard. So that was a nice easier walk than yesterday, and that we got to the main part a lot quicker and that, so we're just gonna head down the bottom of the road. If anybody's looking for a supermarket while staying at the campsite, we've got a co-op there, guys, so it's 20 minutes walk away or just a couple of minutes in the car. Right, so this is, I don't know whether it's a high street at all. Right, so I'm not really sure where we're heading at the moment. I'm hopefully heading towards the other bay where the boats are. Might see if we can find that fort on the far side as well, guys. So yeah, it's a bit of a lottery this morning where we're going to go. Right, we found a footpath. Let's see if we can head down here. It might get us to the bay a bit quicker. A little bit overgrown. Right, we quickly abandoned that. Very overgrown and dangerous stepping stones down. Right, we can see another bay down there, guys, so I think that's where we're heading at the moment. Right, we'll take a left down the bottom here. See what we can see. See if we can have a fly with a drone as well. too many people about this morning. Looking quite beautiful. Now the sun is just starting to come out. Right, very picture postcard. Well, I believe right at that top there is possibly where the fort is, somewhere in that direction. Not too sure how you get to it, approach it. It might only be via a car. We just had a little drone flight over this bay, guys, so that will go up on YouTube. We're probably going to have a bit of a backlog on drone flights on that, guys, so we're doing more drone flying than vlogging at the moment, so you'll catch up with those in due time. So we're going to walk over the other side soon, up to the pier jetty end. Right, we're going to wander around this little harbour section. Got some pretty little houses here. Yacht Club at CAF, open 10 till 4. Currently 20 to 9 in the morning we are, guys, so we're out and about early. Right, so we'll have a look over the other side of the harbour wall. We've got the ferry terminal in the far distance, where we were yesterday. Right, so we enjoyed that walk. Hope you did too, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Right, I think we're going to head back the way we come now, more into the town centre. There is what they call a marine walk, coastal walk around the edge. I'm not too sure we can do that today or tomorrow, but this was a nice little find. Right, so we're now going to head to the right, down the other way, guys. We just come from the little harbour end, so we'll see what's down this way. We've got the War Memorial here. Least we forget, 1914, 1918, 1939, 1945. The men of the parish of Fishguard names are recorded here. Well, Fishguard certainly looks a little bit run down in places. Lots of clothes shops, etc.
It's no problem.
I think we're looking forward to Tenby already now. Right, we'll keep wandering up this way. As I say, there is the marine walk, but I can't see any info on it, or there might be some on these signs here. We've got Lower Town, Marine Walk. Right, we'll probably just head along the town first. We can always do the Marine Walk tomorrow. One thing I haven't found yet is a fish and chip shop. Got the local cinema here, is it? Theatre, film, music and arts. Right, so that's about it for today, guys. A little bit disappointing with Fishguard, I am, to be honest, and that. So down there is a little bay we were on yesterday afternoon, and this is the start of the marine walk, which we want to do tomorrow, guys. So yeah, I think I've shown you pretty well mostly the interesting bits of Fishguard already. That little harbour, got the ferry terminal over there, guys. I think that is the main thing for Fishguard, getting over to Ireland. So yeah, a little disappointed. Right, thank you very much, everybody. I think that concludes our little walk around Fishguard for today. Tomorrow we're going to save the marine walk and do that, guys. Yeah, so give me a comment, like, hit or a miss, guys, and that. So a little bit disappointed myself with Fishguards, but never mind, we don't know these places until we get here. But on to the next one, Tenby, on Thursday. Bye for now.